Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the please contact iTunes to complete this transaction error on your iPhone. If you're encountering this issue, follow these simple steps to resolve it. So let's get started. First, open the settings. Then navigate to VPN. Ensure that no VPN is active. If you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it and remove any unnecessary VPN profiles. Okay, now go back to settings. Then tap on General. And select Language and Region. Make sure the region matches the one you used when creating your Apple ID. If there's a mismatch, update the region to match your Apple ID settings. Now go back and open the Safari browser and search for Apple support. Tap on the official Apple support link. Then navigate to your specific issue and submit a request for assistance. If none of the methods work for you, then try signing out Apple ID and sign in back and see if that resolves your issue. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the error and complete your transaction successfully. So that's all about this. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.